G'day, here at Britz we've got a couple of great four-wheel drive options for you. Let's go and have a look at the Maverick. Got a great bull bar, snorkel. Snorkel doesn't mean that you can put it that high in water. Remember, 30 centimetres only. Fantastic all-terrain tyres on our vehicles. Great size fridge for when you get outdoors. Outdoor stove. Don't forget your awning. When it's hot, you need your awning out for a bit of shade. Inside we have a bit of a dining and lounge area and a great comfortable queen size mattress. Around the back we have a couple of spare tyres, one on the back here, one underneath. Outdoor shower on the right hand side and some good storage area. I'll just show you this storage. This is the only four-wheel drive that we do that you can plug into your 240. Of course, all our vehicles come with water. So this vehicle is great for a couple that wants to get out off the beaten track a bit, but you actually really like those few comforts of a motorhome.